Mga idol, panoorin natin si Kuya na grabe, sinabihan talaga na lip-sync lang daw ito. Pero grabe kahalimaw mga idol. Kaya pala sinabihan siyang lip-sync dahil mamaw pala talaga. So video ko yan to. So let's go, panoorin natin dito kay Kuya mga idol at magbigay tayo ng reaction. Let's go mga idol. Ayan na.
Guys, huwag naman kayo magsabi ng lip-sync, guys. Totoo to, guys. Practice.
Oo nga naman.
Practice.
Huwag na magsabing lip-sync eh. Grabe si Kuya mga idol. Tato pa lang. Bangis.
Romeo was bleeding, but you can see his love. Wow. Something about the feelings. Let's hold on, keep on. It's been running since you left me. Now I'm drowned in the flow. You see, I always been a vibes, but without you, I give up. Oh shit! Now I can sing a love song like a way it's meant to be. Well, I guess I'm not that good anymore, but baby, that's me, you and I will love you, baby.
Always.
And I'll be there forever and a day. And always, and I'll be there till the stars don't shine, till the heaven burns, and the world stood around, and I know I'm tired. You've been on my mind, and I love you always.
Oh, grabe. Yan ba yung lip-sync?
You left behind and just memories of the different lives. Some have made us love, some have made us cry, some made you have to say goodbye. You wanna get you on my fingers to your head, touch your lips and hold you near when you say your prayers. To understand and made you stay. I'm just a man. When you hold, you lost. When you close, you feel. When you say this word, you really need it to hear. I wish I
Grabe.
cause the words are mine. Don't say it to you until the end of time.
Oh.
Love you, baby. And always, and I'll be there forever and a day. And
Galing.
always, if you told me to cry for you, and I
Grabe.
if you told me to die for you, I won't take a look at my face. There's no price I will pay to say this word to you.
Grabe. May pakurog-kurog pa. So yun po mga idol sa kanyang always. Grabe itong si Loloy ni mga idol na sinabihan nila na lip-sync. Oh, nag-lip-sync lang daw ito. So kayo mga idol, ano masasabi nyo? Lip-sync ba daw ito mga idol? Pero para sa akin mga idol, boses niya. Grabe. May pakulot-kulot pa si idol Loloy ni. Don't forget pakipollow po kanyang Facebook page mga idol ha. Loloy ni mga idol sa kanyang Facebook page. Supportahan po natin. Grabe. Ang galing. Ang angas ng boses, talagang mataas na yun ha. Always. Dako. Ibang klase yun mga idol, pero grabe. Kita niyo naman mga idol, no? Na talagang maning-mani lang ang always mga idol. Ibang klase. So kayo, anong masasabi niyo sa kanyang performance mga idol? Sa kanyang rendition. Kung na-miss kayo mga idol, please comment down below mga idol at supportahan po natin ang kanyang Facebook page Loloy ni. So para sa akin mga idol, kung i-rate ko po ang kanyang performance, nasa mga 9 mga idol. Grabe. Galing. Kinilabutan ako eh. Ang sarap pakinggan mga idol, at sana supportahan po natin ang kanyang Facebook page Loloy ni mga idol, at ang ating YouTube channel Asay TV siguro. Kasi nakita ko yung video din niya doon. Okay, hanggang dito lang mga idol. Maraming salamat. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan. Galing. Magaling talaga. God bless mga idol.